Alright guys, so as you know from the video title, today we'll be talking about some home remedies, DIYs and hacks for beautiful healthy hair. So just keep watching. For the first DIY, you will need some curry leaf powder. To this, add a little bit of curd. So you can use the old curd from your fridge which you can't consume anymore because it is so old. And to this, we'll also add a little bit of aloe vera gel. You can take aloe vera gel directly from the leaves, but that can be a little difficult to work with. The one that I am using here is actually from Body Cupid. This is the Body Cupid aloe vera gel, which is 99% pure, and it's suitable for hair and skin both. So as you can see, it's a colorless formula and very easy to mix, very easy to work with, and personally I love this product. So just mix all the ingredients really well. Apply this all over your hair and all over your scalp. Applying this mixture on your hair and scalp for 2 to 3 times a week will help smoothen the hair. This will also stimulate the hair follicles, helping with scalp restoration. So all in all, a great formula for anybody dealing with hair loss issues, hair breakage and extremely weak roots or premature hair graying. The next DIY is especially for those dealing with scalp infections, especially dandruff and dandruff related problems. Also, if you tend to sweat a lot and if your scalp is getting too greasy, too difficult to manage, this DIY is totally for you. For this, you will need some neem powder. So you can actually make neem powder at home as well. I'll put a link in the description box below where I've talked about how you can make neem powder at home. To this, we'll add a few drops of tea tree oil. Don't add too much of tea tree oil because it's a very strong ingredient, so we'll just be using a little bit. To this, we'll add a little bit of warm water. So neem powder and tea tree oil mixed with warm water is great for dealing with fungal infections, for bacterial infections, and for actually cleaning up the scalp really well. Apply this generously all over and leave it for about 30 minutes. You can apply this hair pack 2 to 3 times a week. Now this one is more of a hack, especially when you want to condition your hair and make the hair super silky and soft, guys. In the first use itself, you'll see a difference. So for this, once again, you will need some aloe vera gel. Make sure that whatever you're using is very pure. Either it's directly taken from the leaves or something like this, which is 99% pure. And to this, we will add a little bit of Moroccan argan oil. So you can once again use any brand that you want. The one I'm using is from Skin Science. Because first of all, it's actually far more affordable as compared to other argan oils in the market. Plus, it also contains ingredients like olive oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil. So all of these are actually all of these make it a very good mix. So just mix both the ingredients really well. Apply this all over your hair and scalp. Just use a hair spa cap for about 10 minutes on this for deep hair conditioning, and wash this all off with shampoo and conditioner. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. In the first use itself, you will see your hair behaving so much more better. The hair will be soft, silky and so very happy. And if you have extremely dry and damaged hair, especially if it has been damaged because of chemical treatments and hair coloring, here's a quick pack. Just take a little bit of amla powder. To this, mix an egg. If you have extremely long hair, you might need to use more of these 2 ingredients than I'm using because my hair is short. I'm just using a little bit. Mix both of these, apply this all over your hair and scalp very generously. Leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes and once again wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. And last but not the least, let's talk about onions, because onions are absolutely amazing for dealing with hair loss issues, hair thinning, hair breakage and premature hair graying. It is it's a magical ingredient for your hair, except for the fact that it kind of smells a little bad. Anyway, so what you need to do is to just extract a little bit of onion juice, add this to your regular hair masks, hair oil. You can use it in so many ways. Do not apply onion juice as it is, especially if you have extremely sensitive skin, extremely sensitive scalp. If you don't want to go through the entire process of making onion juice, here's what you can do. You can actually get for yourself onion hair oil. There are lots of those available in the market these days. The one from Wow especially is really nice. And I know how this is sounding, but no guys, it is not a sponsored video. It's just one of the products which I constantly keep using and keep talking about. And then there is also the onion hair masks which are available in the market. So yes, you can pick up whatever you want once again. But the idea is to start using onion in your hair care routine because it's such a great ingredient for your hair problems. So guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. I hope you found this video useful. These hacks, these DIYs, home remedies, you can use a mix of 2 or 3, or you can just use whichever one you can use. Different people have different levels of patience. Some people have a lot more patience when it comes to the hair care and the beauty routine. Some people want easy hacks. easy options. So yes, I have shared a mix of everything, whatever works for you. After you try these out, don't forget to come back and share your comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to let people know how it has made your hair absolutely wonderful. And yes, that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. By the way, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. Yes, now I'm done. So thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.